peoples, welcome my adoring fans. This stuff over here is all from our garden, except for the carrots and for the onions and for the broccoli, but the rest of the stuff is all from the garden. And it's kind of weird, so we've got like these teeny tiny pumpkins. These are actually eggplants, and these are micro butternut. So it's not what I was thinking when I first started planting this sort of stuff. I thought that we were going to be able to feed families during the apocalypse, and this is sort of the harvest, kind of. There's been a lot of tomatoes, a lot of other stuff that has come out, but this is sort of the root veg and like pumpkin slash butternut harvest. So we're going to basically roast it all together. We're going to pop that on a salad. We're going to see how that turns out, and you guys are going to join for the ride. Okay, we're down here. And the roasted veg has come out beautifully. It is smelling amazing. I can't wait to eat it. Basically just going to pop it onto the salad and off we go.